45, how many holds do you require?
2 holds.
45, roger, that works well. Then expected approach time is minute 20 at the moment for the ILS approach from 27. 20.
Now that circle, we've obviously been misjudging Yankee slightly. You can see slightly further on where it isn't got a circle, you can actually see Yankee now.
Oh yeah, you can, yeah. Shall I hit it?
No, it's not doing. Just where we've all guessed Yankee was.
Yeah.
But it is now visible. Just watch your revs.
Golf Alpha November, is it clear to see Yankee and X-ray from the air?
Partial Golf Alpha November.
Roger, thanks.
Do you want to sit down or?
No.
No.
Just put your call and say request cross 27 Heliflight.
With no governor?
With no governor.
Okay.
Can't suddenly fix it in the air.
No, true.
Oxford 45, roger. Aero 03, which initial approach checks would you like for the RMP approach when we get there?
Left 2, Aero 03.
Aero 03, roger. Have your missed approach instructions when you're ready.
And ready for copy, Aero 03.
Aero 03, missed approach instructions after departure, turn right, track 315 degrees, climb to altitude 3000 feet.
22, 1500 feet. Heading 315, man, 3000 feet,
Aero 03, correct, just confirm it's a track of 315.
Beg your pardon, 23, I'm fine, Aero 03.
No worries, brake, flight data 02, clear to commence, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, clear to land.
Golf Alpha November at Yankee, request crossing runway 272, Heliflight.
Gloucester Tower, Golf Bravo, Fox.
We'll have to wait for him now because he's given him clearance.
Information, Hotel QFE 1016 requesting taxi.
Bravo, Foxtrot Echo Kilo, Gloucester Tower, hello, enter Alpha and hold position.
Enter Alpha and hold position, crossing.
Golf Alpha November, was that you looking to cross?
Hey firm, Golf Alpha November.
Golf Alpha November, roger, hold position.
Roger, holding Golf Alpha November.
Gloucester Golf Alpha Tango, we have 5 miles to run.
Golf Alpha Tango, report the field in sight.
Golf Alpha Tango, report field in sight. Gloucester Tower, Golf Sierra, Uniform Echo Golf and Tower Apron, Information Hotel, request taxi.
Golf Sierra, Uniform Echo Golf, Gloucester Tower, hello, taxi at a point, Kilo, caution, all services are icy.
Taxi Kilo, roger, Golf Sierra, Uniform Echo Golf.
Helicopter Golf Alpha November, cross runway 27, taxi to Heliflight.
Clear to cross runway 272, Heliflight, Golf Alpha November.
Golf Echo Kilo, give way to the R22, crossing left to right, then taxi at a point Alpha 3, QFE 1016.
016, give way to the R22, Golf 32, circuit right.
Approved. Golf Echo Golf, give way to the Cessna that will be coming from your left to right, then taxi on a point
Get a bit more speed and get your translation on left.
Cessna, then taxi R3, Golf Echo Golf.
There you go. And just caution somebody walking on Heliflight's apron. There's Echo Kilo. Oh, he's down there, okay.
Golf Alpha Tango, visual with you out the window there. He's got runway 27 in sight.
Down visual with you, no.
Golf Alpha Tango, roger.
Oh, he's marshalling us by the looks of it. Oh, it's Julie, is it Julie?
Surface wind is calm.
Okay, so you're getting marshalled. I'll give you your governor back now.
Yep.
Gladiator 02, number 2, number 1 is an R4.
So,
2 miles east-northeast.
follow your marshalling signals.
Golf Echo Golf, in fact you can go ahead, take the right turn, join Alpha, hold Alpha 3.
Roger, and traffic, right turn, Alpha 3, Golf Echo Golf.
Which one? There? Anywhere you want us? Where do you want us? There or there? There? Not there. I want there. I want the top.
The pad.
Go on that one.
Face it west.
Right out there. Face it.
Alpha
South.
November, if you could
Yeah,
take
west.
the next spot along, that would be great.
Warning lights are out, engine revs are good, TCPs are green, 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 ready for landing.
Golf Alpha Tango, calling finals 27.
Second check.
Golf Alpha Tango, calling finals 27.
Golf Alpha Tango, runway 27, wind calm.
Revs coming down to 75.